So we're going to talk about how to optimize, what you can do to optimize lead connections. The first is going to be initial automated messages. The second will be automated follow-up messages. Automation. Okay, so before I get into this, a lead comes in to us. They fill out a form. 2 minutes in, ringless voicemail. 3 minutes in, text message, text message, text message. The intent behind this is to get them, number one, to stop filling out other people's forms and engage with me. I want to eradicate as much competition as I can. And number two, I want them to feel taken care of. Always put an emotion behind your intent. That seller, they just filled out a form. It means nothing means more to them than you reaching out. And getting that ringless voice, they don't know that it's a ringless voicemail. Most people don't even know that is a thing. They get a voicemail from you saying, hey, this is Keith Gillespie with Crown Properties. I just received that form that you filled out on my website. Love to chat with you and ask some basic questions about your property, see if I'd be a good fit to buy it. If you don't mind, give me a call back. I sure would appreciate it. Hope you're having a great day. God bless. Immediately after that ringless voicemail goes out, we send them a text message. Once again, just starting the conversation. Hey, we just received your request for 123 Main Street. Is that right? Next, now we're getting into a little bit more of the details. These 3 text messages, by the way, whether they answer none of them, they answer all of them, they answer them in the middle, it doesn't matter. The conversation still makes sense. The second text message that goes out, 4 minutes in, are there any major repairs needed on the home? Doesn't matter to us. We just wanted to be fair to you. Then the last text message that goes out, once we have agreed to a price, we can kind of close whenever you want. When are you looking to close on the property? So this is an example of what it looks like. First text message goes out, 6 for you non-military folk, 18 is 6 p.m. 6 p.m., 6:07, 6:08, they says, yes, I am the executor of the estate. Then 11 goes out, so they think that they're talking to a real person, right? Here's another one. Almost the same thing. They answered right here. Hey, we just received your request for selling 123 Main Street. Is that right? Yes. Are there any major repairs? How soon are you looking to sell? Pretty soon, but I don't think you're going to give me a fair offer. I'm looking to move within the month, though. So we start engaging these people immediately. This person responds right out the gate. We text them at 3:10. They text at 3:11. Another text message goes out, which they answer here. This is a common theme with us, that people are responsive immediately. They literally just got done filling out your form, and not 3, 4, 5 minutes later, they're getting hit. Something that I want to point out. What time is this? Can you all see? Yep, because all you guys were awake at 3, answering your leads. But somebody is taking care of this person. It's a good practice that some automated messages goes out that just makes that person feel taken care of, because already you're building rapport that no other investor is.